In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your voiceover to your Canva presentation. Essentially, you can record your own presentation and then you can explain it with your own voice, or maybe even show your face, and that content would be recorded and later you can share the video or you can also rewatch it later. Essentially, if you want to give this presentation over and over again, but you don't want to manually have to redo the presentation all over again, then recording the content or recording the presentation is a fantastic idea. And here's how you can do that on Canva. First, make sure that you have your presentation ready, and then go to the present menu, select present and record. That's what we want. Click next and click go to recording. Now, if you're doing it for the first time, sometimes you will see this permission icon that essentially asking you to allow Canva to access your microphone and your webcam, because it is going to be needed to record your video or record your voice. You want to make sure to click allow, and it will also ask for microphones. Click allow again. Now, at the moment, I don't have any camera connected, so that's why you don't see anything, but that's okay because what's important is the voice. And here you can select what is the microphone that you want to use, and when you do that, you can test, and if you can see this bar is moving. If it is moving, it means that it picks up your voice and you can start recording. Once everything is ready, you can click start recording and you will be able to see this countdown and you can start. Alright, I'm not going to do much here. I'm just testing a few things. I'm just moving from one slide to another and just to test the feature and making sure that everything is working properly. Anyway, if you are done, you can click end recording. It will now render the video, and later you can watch the video or even share it to your colleagues. You can download the video or you can also watch it online. I'm going to click copy and I'm going to paste the URL on a new tab and see what it looked like. Well, hopefully you can see the video and listen to the voice. You can start. Alright, I'm not going to do much here. I'm just testing a few things. I'm just moving from one slide to another and just to test the feature and making sure that everything is working properly. Anyway, if you are done, you can click end recording. Yeah, I think that was great. So that's essentially how you can record your own voice in your Canva presentation. I hope this video helps you.